In regards to what products you should add to your business to expand the business, up AOV, up conversion rate, do all of these good things to make more money, what you should be doing is not asking yourself and brainstorming with yourself with some sort of mind map or thinking, oh, what products can I add to the business? Should I go down this route? Should I go down another route? The supplier says that we should do this. I think we should do this because I like X. You need to get all of that out of your mind. And what you should be doing is utilizing your customers. Now, how do we do this? We simply survey the customers, we take the data, we ask them what type of products they want, and whatever products they want, we give it to them. Most business owners, they give themselves so much pain by not doing this, and they rack their brains thinking, oh, I need to add this product next, I need to do this. I don't understand why business owners can't sit back and assess the situation and just say, hey, why don't I just ask my audience? And then you'll be able to get the exact answers that not only are going to make you more money, but they're actually going to save you a lot of work. Now, I would be prepared that if you have these ideas in your mind, you think about what type of products you want next, you kind of look at the business and you think, oh, this is my thing. You need to get that out of your head because it's not your business, it's the customer's business. And the customers completely dictate the future of your business. So if you were to put something together, which is a product that people do not want, they have not asked for, and you push it to their audience, guess what's going to happen? You're going to waste a load of money. So I would be surveying your customers before you even think about what type of products you want to add to your business, how you expand that product line, up that AOV, outbid your competitors and kill them off. What you want to go ahead and do is just survey, take that data, and then build based off that data. You can do this with the entire business, by the way. You can do this with your advertising, which you get real-time feedback on what's working anyway, but when it comes to your emails, when it comes to your images, why not get your community involved with what you're building? Now that's an extreme case, but when it comes to choosing products and choosing new product lines and offers, you can test all of this on your audience, but you don't necessarily have to buy product, put it there and say, hey, this is my great idea. And then your audience just says, that sucks, I'm not buying it. Survey the customers, take the data and build off the data.